Hey, this is the DIY Magician, and we're here with music and sound effects. That's right, this is an ongoing series that we're going to have fun creating music and sound effects from everyday items. So hang tight and come on back for some fun. So, what might look like garbage to you is a musical instrument. So let's see what it takes to make music from an empty water bottle. That's right, it's an empty water bottle. Now you could, as we talked about before, make a maraca out of it, where you put some sand or salt or rice in it. That's for a different episode. You could do that, but this is what I did. I used these in our little fun time there at the show. This is a, ready for it? Tell me what you think it is. It's crackling fire. Could be a deep fryer, like you're cooking chicken or things like that. You could be in some sort of walking around in a messy field with all sorts of stuff, and you're walking through crunchy things. You got to use your imagination on these, but there it is, a water bottle sound effect or music or whatever you want it for. Here it is, crackling fire. This is the DIY Magician. We'll see you next time.